Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video, I just want to tell you guys about a new Nintendo DS emulator which is coming out for the PS Vita. So this was announced on December the 4th by this guy right here called Aura, if I pronounced that right. And you're probably wondering why I'm making this video. I don't make many of these videos where I tell you guys about stuff that's coming out, but this is probably one of the most requested things I get. People always ask me to make a video about the Nintendo DS emulator on the PS Vita. Now there is one which actually works, and I actually already made a video on it. So this one is the DESUME emulator, and it's just really bad. I made a video on it and I didn't want to make like a full tutorial on it. I just did like how to install it and stuff because the emulation is really laggy. As you can see, it got quite a few dislikes from people because they actually want to play DS games. This was just like a test video because I got so many comments saying it's just really bad. But yeah, it turns out maybe the guy saw my video. It nearly got 50k views, so there's a high chance he might have seen my video and then he decided to develop it. So you're probably wondering what this is based on. It's actually based on Melon DS. Now this is actually an Android version for a DS emulator. It's pretty lightweight. So apparently it's really good for running on Nintendo Switch and Android. It's really lightweight. Apparently there's going to be some CPU improvements as well, so you can play the games at better speed. I'm pretty sure it says that somewhere here. But yeah, it's actually really cool, and I'm actually looking forward to this. I had no idea someone was actually going to make a new DS emulator for the PlayStation Vita, so this is actually really good news. Now as soon as this comes out, I will make a video on it. As I said before, the reason why I'm making this is because I got so many requests. So hopefully I won't be getting as many requests, because you guys know there's one which is going to come out soon. So on the guy's Twitter right now, if you want to follow it, you can go ahead. There's just a link to it right here. And he is saying he's actually got it working. Apparently vertical screen works as well. And that actually looks pretty good. If this is playable at solid frame rate, this is actually going to be really good. So I'm not too sure when it's coming out. It doesn't look like it says, but I will be making a video when it does come out. I'll probably be like the first person to make it. Actually, it says up here FPS 392. That is actually very interesting. If you guys saw my last video, I think just on the menu that FPS was about 5. So that is a very good indication that this could actually work really well. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to make a quick video on this. As I said, I don't normally make these news videos, but this one was actually really interesting. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.